18.2 has introduced several enhancements, but some users have reported encountering issues post update. So, here are common problems and their potential solutions. So, let's get started. Firstly, start with opening Settings app on your home screen. Then, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Inside General, scroll down, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Once you reset all settings, again go to the Settings. Many people have been complaining about Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Now go to the Wi-Fi, and once you're inside the Wi-Fi, tap on the connected network of yours, and all you have to do is forget that network and retype its password. Or you can again go to the Settings and General and reset your network settings for this. Also, power cycle your Wi-Fi router, then reconnect your Wi-Fi. Now, the another main problem people are facing is app crashes. Simply go to the App Store on your mobile device, and once inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and update apps through the App Store. Delete and reinstall the problematic apps, then restart your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches. Now lastly, it is touchscreen responsiveness. Ensure the screen is clean and free from obstructions. Then test without a screen protector to rule out interference. Then first restart your iPhone to resolve any temporary issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.